Hadien Sngi ba Miet kajing Shong Surok ba kajing Thiah Miet Surok. Nonghikai school apa kalama yang ka first time ataga Sngi ka atari jungku naitung araja la jauh mat Jrup nama jungku simkia ka soka wala dia pada dulu yang nama sebut jalan sekolah menjaga kabinet.
Anyone going home? Raise your hands.
Sngi nak kalian Nonghikai kira
Sit here and wait. Raise your hands.
Kin Shong ba akatai ke cakap.
Okay.
Minum kai syai.
Come to the side.
Soka. Kan pendam.
Sit here and wait. Raise your hands. Sit here and wait. Okay. So now I'd like to ask our friends from Garo Hills. I've already asked actually our friends from Garo Hills because it is also important. You answer in only one line. Do not answer in a statement. Clear? Do not. It is an answer of 1 mark since all of you are teachers. 1 mark's answer. Do not give me an answer of 5 marks. You might make some grammatical mistakes, then you will lose that 1 marks as well. So, the question is this: should we continue to sit here, or should we go home? Okay, so your answer will be only this: sit here and wait. And the second answer is go home. Clear? So first I'll ask this section: what is your decision? I'll count in 3. You'll all answer at the same time. Whether you sit here and wait or you go home. Okay. Sit here and wait. Can we see your hands? Please raise your hands. Okay. But we'll also have another. You'll have to ask others as well. Teachers over there. I'll count to 3. Sit here and wait, or go home. Sit here and wait. Raise your hands. Go home. Raise your hands. Let me ask this section. Sit here and wait, or go home?
Sit here and wait.
Sit here and wait.
Yes.
Raise your hands. Anyone going home? Okay. Teachers over there. Sit here and wait, or go home?
Sit here and wait.
I see these teachers here from far-flung places. They have come, they have slept here at night. They have had sleepless nights. We do not know whether they have had food or not. It pains my heart, it pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here. The other day, there is a teacher who had a child, 3 months old. She came at night along with the husband. She brought tea for us. The child is in the car. And she still came. She still came. But what does the government do? The government does not know because they are sitting there. They don't know what is going on here. And these politicians, just to secure your seat, you are sitting there. Why are you not speaking? The names that I've already taken, why are you not speaking? Why are you not speaking? Because you are afraid of the next election. Election will come and go. But the human soul, once it goes, it will never come back. We cannot live like this. So please, solve our issue as soon as possible. And we hope that if this MDA government has a heart,